How to make decisions like Ayanokoji from Classroom of the Elite. Have you ever wished you could stay calm, cool, and in control no matter what life throws at you? What if you could analyze any situation like a chess master, predict outcomes, and make decisions with precision, just like Ayanokoji from Classroom of the Elite? In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to mastering decision-making, inspired by Ayanokoji. This technique is simple, easy to learn, and can transform your everyday choices into powerful, calculated moves. Let's dive in. Think about it. Most people are reactive, they let emotions, pressure, and impulses dictate their decisions. But Ayanokoji? He observes, analyzes, and chooses the smartest path forward every time. What if I told you that you could do this too? With practice, you can train your mind to take control of your decisions instead of letting your instincts or emotions run the show. This skill is not just for anime characters, it's for anyone who wants to stay ahead in life, school, or even relationships. Step 1. Pause and observe the situation. The first step is to pause. Ayanokoji doesn't react immediately, he observes. When faced with a situation, stop for a moment. Pay attention to your surroundings, the people involved, and the problem itself. This short pause creates space between your first emotional reaction and your next move. Think of it as stepping back to see the bigger picture. Let's say someone insults you in front of others. Instead of snapping back, take a breath, observe their tone, and assess the situation. Maybe they're trying to provoke you for attention. Now, you've already got the upper hand by not reacting emotionally. Step 2. Visualize multiple scenarios. Scene: Ayanokoji's thought process visualized, chess pieces move on a board as he calculates his next move. Voiceover. Next, imagine your options. Ayanokoji doesn't settle for one solution, he considers multiple paths and predicts their outcomes. You can do this too. Ask yourself, what are my options here? What happens if I choose option A, option B, or even option C? Which path benefits me the most in the long run? This mental exercise helps you think strategically instead of emotionally. Let's say you're choosing whether to confront someone or let something slide. Visualize both scenarios. Will a confrontation escalate things? Or will staying calm give you the power to handle it later on your terms? Now you're thinking like Ayanokoji. Step 3. Take the emotion out of your decision. The secret to Ayanokoji's brilliance is his lack of emotional bias. He doesn't let fear, anger, or excitement cloud his judgment. You can achieve this by reminding yourself. Your emotions are temporary. Logical, strategic decisions last longer. This doesn't mean ignoring your feelings, it means controlling them so they don't control you. Example for real life. Imagine you're negotiating a deal. Don't let the excitement of getting a quick win cloud your judgment. Take your time to make the best decision for your long-term goals. Step 4. Decide and act with confidence. Once you've analyzed your options, make your decision and act with confidence. Overthinking can paralyze you. Ayanokoji doesn't second-guess himself, he calculates, decides, and moves forward. By practicing this process regularly, you'll develop the habit of making smarter, quicker, and more effective decisions. Why this will change your life? Now, why should you care about learning this skill? Because being calm, strategic, and in control gives you an edge in every area of life. At school or work, you'll stand out as someone who can think clearly under pressure. In relationships, you'll avoid unnecessary fights and make wiser choices. And in life, you'll waste less time on regret and more time achieving your goals. This is how Ayanokoji stays ahead, and now, you can too. Ready to start? Making decisions like a genius? Practice these steps daily. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe for more insights, and comment below, what's one decision you wish you'd made differently? Remember, master your mind, and you'll master your life. See you in the next video. Stay calm. Stay sharp. Stay in control.